Good morning. Today we will discuss about the how to calculate the focal length of this concave mirror. Okay. So we know that we count the length of focal length from poles in the case of mirror. Okay. So first of all we are at the point of pole. Now we move towards left side, that is -1, -2 and -3. Okay, so the focal length of this concave mirror is equals to -3 centimeter. Okay, before starting the second part of this question, first of all we discuss about the rules for making image by a concave mirror. Okay, so our first rule is when the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, then what happened? Okay, first of all, we take a laser light and a concave mirror. Okay. Now we arrange our concave mirror like this and we arrange our laser light in such a way when we strike the light ray it is parallel to principal axis. Okay. When we strike the light ray which is parallel to principal axis, then we can say it passes through focus. Okay. Yes or no? Now if we strike the laser light ray which is on the principal axis, then it bounce back to the same medium. Now we discuss our rule number second. Okay, when the incident ray passes through focus and strike on the concave mirror, then what happened? Okay, first of all we fix the concave mirror on this position. After that we strike the incident ray in such a way it passes through focus. Yes or no? Then we can see after reflection it is parallel to the principal axis. Yes or no? Okay. For second part, magnification, we also understand the concept of image formation by concave mirror when the object is placed at C. Okay, so our object is placed at C, AB is the position, initial and final position या top or bottom position of the object A and B. Okay, now we form the incident ray from A. ठीक है, first of all we form incident ray which is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it passes through focus. Yes or no? Now we form another incident ray from point A. If the incident ray passes from focus, then after reflection it is parallel to the principal axis. Okay, yes or no? So the image of point A will be A dash, which is okay. Now if we form the light ray from point B that it strike on the concave mirror and bounce back to the same medium, so the image of B is on point B, that is B dash. Yes or no? So if the object is placed at C in the case of concave mirror, then the image is formed real and inverted. Okay, yes or no? And same position. Okay, now if we consider the distance between object and pole is x, then the distance between pole and image is also x. It means u equals to minus x and b is equals to also minus x. Yes or no? Okay, so we know the magnification m equals to minus b upon u. Okay, so m equals to minus, put the value of v, that is minus x, and also put the value of u, that is also minus x. Minus x cancel by minus cancel, minus x, so m equals to minus 1. So our magnification is minus 1